Welcome back, nerds. I'm Miss Westmoreland. Today we are building bridges. You're gonna need some Legos or another building material, a book, and a ruler. Okay, let's learn a little bit about types of bridges and what kind of things make them strong. Really simple bridges, actually a lot like this one, are called beam bridges. And they usually just are a beam or kind of a piece of strong material straight across an area. Sometimes they have little supports coming down called a pier. The problem with beam bridges is that if you have a lot of weight or pressure in the center, the middle of the beam tends to bend. And we're gonna actually see that, I think, with my beam bridge in just a second. A way to make a bridge stronger is to add some additional supports. One way to do that is with an arch. So if you have your kind of beam across your area, an arch or kind of a half circle like this over an area is going to help with that, because the pressure down onto that beam, it will spread out that weight across the arch, and this is a lot stronger of a bridge. Another thing you could think about building is a truss bridge. So here's your main part of your bridge, your beam, and then trusses are usually a triangle shape. So they might look something like this, with a lot of triangles in between. And a triangle is a really strong shape, because if you put pressure on a triangle on any of the points, it spreads out that weight again and helps to keep that bridge structurally sound and strong. The last type of bridge I want to teach you about is a suspension bridge. That's like the Golden Gate Bridge, and these bridges can span really long distances, and they use tension to help them. So here's our main part of our bridge or our deck, and then we usually have these big
towers.
Not totally sure what those are called, but these big
towers.
Support
towers.
They have these big support beams.
Towers.
To help them, and then they're going to have big steel cables that kind of look like this and have all of these extra cables to pull that bridge up. So any part of the bridge that has weight, the weight is going to be distributed across these cables and across the whole bridge. Those are awesome too. So today you're going to be building your own bridge and testing it out of whatever building material you want to use. I chose Legos. There's another video below to explain that. This was just the introduction. See the full lesson at nerding.org/lessons.